Okay, you're welcome back. So we talk about WhatsApp communities today. WhatsApp communities is a feature that allows users to organize and consolidate multiple WhatsApp groups under a single umbrella. Okay, so when you have so many WhatsApp groups and you want them to be on one umbrella, then you use WhatsApp communities, okay? Making it easier to manage and connect with various groups of people sharing similar interests or affiliation. Okay, it is designed to help large organizations, workplaces, and private groups stay connected on the same page, while also providing a secure and private space for discussion. So, if you have many groups, you are managing many groups, creating a WhatsApp community for all the groups you're managing will be quite good, especially when the groups you're managing are similar in one way or the other. Okay, so you create a group, your community, WhatsApp communities, put them all in it. Okay, good. So now, so how to create the WhatsApp community? Let's quickly do that. Let me get my phone. Let's do it. Okay, so this is your WhatsApp. So to create a WhatsApp community, you click on communities here. Please, all this syntax I'm showing you might change in the future, okay? So in case if it changes, you still have a way of figuring out where the community is, okay? Because they might change it later and put it on top or put it by the side or wherever. But just know that you already know what it does, what WhatsApp community does, and then creating it won't be a big deal for you. So what my concentration is the principle of WhatsApp marketing. I want to pass that principle to you. You know exactly the principle behind it and how to go about marketing on WhatsApp. Okay. So that said, then now let's create a community. I already have a community. I'm not going to create another. But to create a community, you click on new community. Okay, then click on get started. It's quite easy, quite easy. They put the name of the community here. Okay, then describe the community here. Then you continue. Then put the photo here. The community is created. Then you add uh, groups that you want to add to the community. Then finally you create a community. It's quite easy, not difficult to create. Then, but this is my community, Heroic community. If you open it, you see that I have groups in it. Okay, usually by default, the community has a default group, announcement group, and general group. The announcement group is where you can post an announcement. Once you post announcements here, it will get to all the people in your community. Okay, then um, group general group is where people can come, and all the people in the group, they can come here and they converse, as in chat, discuss. Okay, now these are my different groups. Okay, different groups, individual groups. So this one is for love clinic. Okay, for love and relationship. My fiancé is the one managing this. Okay, as at the time of recording this video, she's still my fiancée. Maybe while you are watching it, she must have become a wife, because as I'm talking to you right now, we are preparing for a wedding. So why, I don't know when you're going to watch the video, but maybe by the time you're watching the video, we must have been married. Okay, but she's the one managing the group for now for me. Then this heroic student group. Okay, this is where all my students are. The heroic promotion, these are specifically for those that are promoting my app, the new app I built. But I want to make it available for all people, everybody that wants to promote anything that I brought forward. Okay, any of my product or services that you want to promote, so you can join this group. Okay, so be able to promote it. So these are the three groups I created and I'm managing for now. So all of them are in the community. I can add more groups if I want. Click on add more group. Okay, if I have more groups to be added. Okay, so that's WhatsApp community. So it's easier for me to just go here now and enter any group I want to enter. Okay, or send the announcement to them, and that's it. So that's WhatsApp community. So this one is just for managing all the groups that you have. Okay, for convenience sake, makes it convenient for you to manage all the groups you have, right? That's great.